Another MGEA. Set the thing straight. Me name Eezzy the lyrical. Gino. Zig. Mastermind.
So we have all set up now and we're going to start cooking with my auntie. And this is bar. And where is the okra?
The okra, tigo.
Oh, the tigo. Yeah. Okay, so she's going to do her best to tell me what to do. I've never cooked like this before, so bear with me. It's not going to look professional, but my auntie is a pro. I love her food. This is actually quite therapeutic to do. I could actually, like I said, it's quite therapeutic. It's really relaxing. So I can actually imagine doing this to relax.
Tricky. Laxzy mover. Lega. Jump me, jump Peggy bala bala. End up even a period of gal Peggy bala bala.
My favourite type of bar is the fried one, and it's actually my auntie that got me liking it. I never liked bar before. That's not a lie. I know it's true. I never liked bar. And then I remember one time I came and then she made it and I was like, I can get down with this. So ever since it's my favourite. And even my mum says that auntie cooks the best bar. So now I'm going to see her secrets and maybe I can recreate it when I get back home. It's the same for this one. For any as well. Okay. Like this. And why do we do this, Jerry?
So now you're starting the cleaning process. Okay. So you have to sprinkle it so you'll be able to sort out grains of sand and maybe some worms in it. Just throw them away. Yeah.
Is that enough? To bear?
So yeah. Just pick from the top.
Okay. Yeah. So what, like this? Let me watch her do it.
¿Qué para Río? Okay, yeah, demonstrating them. I can't see what they are doing.
You learn.
I'm here piggy, better piggy, tricky. After this, can we take some water? Can we take some water? Wait a minute, we take some water. Can we take some water? Better piggy. Come a piggy. Come a piggy.
This feels like the most intense exam that I've sat in a few years. when you know there's an expert sat right next to you and she's watching you like, no, this girl just doesn't get it. But hopefully I'll pass the test.
Tian Anabeda Chogo, Amero Kama look no. Yeah, I lego like trade nowhere, I jota bed quayo. Yeah, I lego roba nowhere, I jota bed quayo. Yeah. I am Mr.
Makukuma. Dolo ma. Tiri kuman. The dollar kuman. The young man, the god kuman.
So she's saying hold it really tight and then start cutting it. So she's saying hold it really tight.
Yeah, and you come here me because I want it like a butter on a bread. Everybody wants this a military coup.
Love when you get away. Give me some water away. When you like lottery, girl, this is the part of me. Come to my property, give me some ministry. Make a big no apology, poetry.
After this, can we take some water? Can we take some water?
On Pige.
Okay.
Pour water.
So I'm just gonna pour water into it.
That's cold water.
Cold water.
And then
This is not Mountain Dew. What is this?
that's a local bicarbonate salt
Okay.
made from ashes.
From ashes.
So they burn the stems of boar, stems of beans, those legumes, and same. So when it's burnt, and then they make soup out of it.
So this is bicarbonate soda, and I'm putting 2 in.
It's locally prepared.
Okay. And
Pige
then I'm gonna put it in on the fire. So Monty's saying that we need to add some more water to it, so he's going to get some more water. And what do you call these, like, fire places?
This is a locally made charcoal stove. It uses both charcoal and firewood.
Okay. So I'm just going to add some more water.
On when? Wait, wait. I Ruby Mata. You might think. Thank you. I will not call it. I will wait to be eaten. Yeah, I'm going to teach you.
So she's just saying I should, like, stir it and pull it up at the same time, and also it's obviously starting to cook this up to boil.
Panyo con cái magazine, pan magazine. Teng gói cùng chú đấy. Ai magazine của mà.
Jump Peggy bala bala.
And up in the period, girl, Peggy bala bala. Meta pige. Amero pige.
So the ball is ready, and now we're just going to fry it now, the way I like my ball. So we're just heating up the pan. Anything more?
More there.
So that's the cooking oil that we bought earlier on, and I've cut the onions, not gracefully, but they're cut.
After this, can we take some water? Can we take some water? Wait a minute, we take some water. Can we take some water?
Meta Pige. Meta Pige. Kama Pige. Kama Pige.
I take chogo.
So this is ogwech.
Yeah, wait. Man, we anything.
Because I've never seen this before.
Is it? This is another side of Kebdom.
Okay.
Here they don't know it.
Yeah, I've never heard the word before. I've never seen this. I've never seen any with 3 parts to it.
If I don't forget, when I go home, I'll give my tea my bear here. Yes.
So she's saying next time I come, she'll make one for me to take back to the UK.
Yeah.
I would like that.
Yes, I you here here.
Macam mana ni ramai tim nak kere? Macam ni tim tu mah.
So she's saying that this is made for stirring and mixing dishes with. So why is this better? She's saying it's just the way that the Achuli have made it. That's why it's better. Achuli are our people, that's our tribe.
Amiro Pige, Pian Anabeda Chogo, Amiro Kamanok no. Yeah, I lego like trade nowhere, I don't have the quail.
And she's just going to prepare the pot for the Kwon Kal. Confession, the first time I ever made Kwon was by mistake. So and Jerry's laughing at me because I think he knows why. So I was making myoga, which is porridge. Now porridge is like the step before you get to the Kwon form, which we'll show you in a second. So basically you add the moro, so you add the flour, the semolina or the millet, whatever it is, to the water, and you just keep adding it slowly, and then you should be able to stop it before it gets too thick. So I didn't do that. I kept just going and going, and before you knew it, I had Kwon. It was way past the stage of porridge. That was the first time I ever made porridge. Sorry, the first time I ever made Kwon was by mistake. And it's very physical to make Kwon. Like, you really have to have a good pounding action. And again, it's not really my thing, but I'm gonna give it a good go. I do make Kwon, but mine ends up lumpy because I'm not a pro. And lumpy Kwon is not nice Kwon. So I've said to my auntie that she should
Do the mingling.
do the heavy lifting. Because yeah, you kind of got to get it right. Otherwise, like I said, it'll end up lumpy and not very good.
Yeah, and you come here me now 'cause I want it like a butter on a bread. Everybody wants this a military coup.
Loving you get away. Give me some water away. When you like lottery, girl, this is the part of me. Come to my property, give me some ministry. Make a big no apology, poetry.
After this, can we take some water? Can we take some water? Wait a minute, we take some water. Can we take some water?
Meta pige, meta pige. Kama pige, kama pige.
Big Deck, pakaduang mergelio, gelio, wichawa, koman mergetio, kakwapia mergenwinyo, gijamo.
So this is the Kwon Kal that we were talking about. And this is obviously the accompaniment to the bar, which is here. We're just making sure that it's still warm. And this really is a staple that you'll see a lot, most people in this region eat. It's like almost like a daily food, isn't it, right, Jerry? Yeah. So this is a very typical dish of the north, Kwon Kal with bar.
Okay.
So it's only right that I taste what me and Auntie prepared today. So just to recap, it's the Kwon Kal with the bar. I'm not a fan of Kwon Kal, but I cooked it, so I'm going to try it. So traditionally you eat with your hands, we don't eat with a fork. So come here. I'm just saying it's tasty. The bar, the bar is really nice. Jerry, you've got to come try and taste some. We've got to find a way for Jerry to come eat some, because Jerry's cameraman and also light man right now because it's really dark. Come here. I'm for you,
a pity that life is sweeter. Watch out together with my brothers. Let the Wizzy Laxzy easy with theater.
I hear better like walk.